Kirsty from James the Salon here in Adelaide. I am here with my beautiful model Yaz. I'm going to be demonstrating with you guys how I get a really beautiful, smooth, sleek look. So I'm just going to go through and pop in the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. So beautiful and soft. Guys, now I'm going to go through it with the Moroccanoil Treatment in Light, and I'm just going to place through one pump. Put it on both sides of my hands so that I can drag it throughout roots and ends everywhere, and it's going to get covered. Also, Moroccanoil Treatment actually increases shine up to 118%. So amazing. I'm now going to go through with the Hydrating Styling Cream. This is amazing for a beautiful, soft blow dry. I'm going to go through and just pop a little bit in my palm here. And again, I'm covering both sides of my hands. It's super important that you get it everywhere, not just on the tops. This is super light and amazing to work with. So after I've actually gone through and popped it through the mids and ends, I go through and I put just a little bit throughout the roots, and it doesn't actually leave the hair looking greasy or too heavy or anything. It's super amazing to work with. Just adds that beautiful hydration, moisture, sort of healthy look throughout the hair all over. Just gone through and I have blow dried this super sleek, beautiful, hydrated look using all of our products that I mentioned just before. If I didn't have this, the frizz, the bulk, everything, it just would have been huge. So this has helped me smooth everything down, keep it really, really hydrated. I'm just gonna finish it off with the Luminous Hairspray in medium. This is super beautiful to work with because I feel like it's never just stiff. It holds, but there's movement, which is perfect. Little trick I like, because I blow dried it out this way, and I want that flick, I'm just gonna hold it forward and I'm gonna spray where I see that flick, and I'm just gonna hold the bottle over it just for a few seconds just while it sets.